welcome to my channel. BTC price surges as Grayscale wins against second ETF case. Shibarium gets major boost. Bitstamp halts us trading for Sol, Matic, Jasai. Bitcoin price surges as Grayscale emerges victorious against SES in ETF sales. Yet another company has scored a victory over the SEC following the Ripple case. Cryptocurrency asset manager Grayscale has issued a lawsuit against the regulatory agency for rejecting the idea to turn Grayscale Bitcoin Trust BUGTFD into a full-stack Bitcoin spot ETF. After the court verdict was postponed 3 times in a row, the case finally made the long-awaited progress yesterday with a landmark ruling by Judge Naomi Rao of the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals. In the ruling, she stated that the denial of Grayscale's proposal was arbitrary and capricious because the commission failed to explain its different treatment of similar products. Bitcoin's price saw an impressive spike on the news, reaching an intraday high of $27,740 on Bitstamp. Shibarium receives major boost as Shiba Inu SHIB partner launches its own validator node, according to a recent post by Unification Past. The pioneering blockchain startup behind Shibarium, its validator node is now open to delegation. The development signifies a major milestone for the Shiba Inu ecosystem as it allows bone holders to interact with the network on a completely new level. At the moment, Unification's validator establishes itself as the largest Shibarium node operator in terms of staked tokens. The startup has been entrusted with a total of 4 million bone, with a self-stake of 9,999 tokens indispensable for node operation. As previously reported by You Today, SHIB lead Shytoshi Kusama announced that Shibarium is now live and ready for prime time. Bitstamp halts U.S. trading for Sol, Matic. Yesterday, Bitstamp's official X handle posted an important update for its U.S. users. According to the exchange's announcement, it had halted trading for 7 cryptos: Ax, S, Chaz, Mana, Matic, Near, Sand, and Sol. Trading activities related to the aforementioned digital assets have been paused until further notice on the Bitstamp platform. New orders involving these cryptocurrencies have been disabled, and all existing orders across all these trading pairs have been canceled. However, Bitstamp users can still hold these assets and withdraw them at any time. The exchange's decision follows the SEC's intensified scrutiny of the crypto industry. At the start of the week, the regulator accused Impact Theory Media Company of selling unregistered securities in the form of NFTs. In June, the SEC started legal action against Coinbase and Binance, stating that they traded some crypto assets that are securities. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.